Okay guys, you need to pay attention because I'm going to give you the recipe for a pizza. It's carnivore, protein sparing, and it's ready in less than 10 minutes. Hello, I'm Daniela and I help women understand their hormones in order to achieve optimal health and body composition. So, today I'm showing you how to make this pizza, which honestly, I just tasted it and I was like, this is like the best pizza I tasted in the low-carb world. Let's not, I'm Italian, so. But in terms of low-carb, carnivore, protein sparing, this is the best, and I'm so surprised and so pleased that I finally found something that I actually enjoy eating. I know I made loads of other recipes, I made a carnivore pizza, made the protein sparing pizza, which are okay, but I'm not oh my god, I can't wait to eat that. I eat it because it's I know it's good for me and it doesn't gonna spike my blood sugar, it doesn't have a ton of carbs, but this is the closest thing there is to pizza. It actually tastes a bit like gluten-free pizza because I'm gluten-free, so if you buy gluten-free pizza or something it's always there's no air bubbles, there's no that spongy kind of sourdough type pizza. So this so reminds me of just any gluten-free pizza I ever had. So I can't take credit for the recipe for the base itself because it's Indigo's Nili's knockout egg white egg life wraps. So I already made her recipe when I made carnivore nachos and they were amazing. You should go and have a look. But today I said, let me try to make a pizza. Let me try to make a few tweaks to the technique of how to cook it, to be fast, efficient and easy basically. But yeah, let's get on with the recipe. So the recipe is the same. I made double double the recipe basically, which is half a cup of water plus 2 tablespoons of beef gelatin and 6 tablespoons of egg white powder. I then spread it onto a baking tray and then I switched on not the oven itself but the how you say convection, I think in the US, the grill, not the full oven basically, at 200 degrees Celsius, which I don't know Fahrenheit. I'm gonna leave you the link, how much is in the description, but yeah, just 200 degrees Celsius, whatever it is Fahrenheit, and then you bake it, but keep an eye, that's the trick. Oh yeah, I spread a little bit of ghee butter, my homemade ghee butter on the baking paper. If you haven't yet, check that out as well. It's really easy to make ghee butter and you're gonna save a ton of money buying already made ghee. So, and then the trick is to bake it, but you have to keep an eye on it. I literally looked at the time and it was maybe 3 minutes, just as it's solid enough to be able to turn it, that's when you're gonna turn it to the other side. So you don't have to wait for it to see any brown edges, anything like that, because then you're going to dry it out. Turn it around another 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes max, just when you see there'll be a lot of bubbles on top. And then you just add your toppings. If you want to make 100% carnivore, you just put a white sauce or whatever you do for carnivore pizza, and your favorite toppings. Here I'm putting some of my homemade cooked ham, which I found on offer, so I just bought a whole ham and cooked it, and some of this low moisture mozzarella cheese, which I think next time I'm just gonna put normal mozzarella because I way prefer the taste. And then just time to melt, so not even 10 minutes, oh yeah, maybe 10 minutes from literally when you start to doing things. And the grill oven takes way less time to heat up, so we in these times we also need to save electricity, and yeah, I think it would work also in an air fryer if you have something that's big enough actually. And here it is. Like, it looks amazing. It just looks like a gluten-free pizza, to be honest, because gluten-free pizza doesn't brown because it's just type of flour. Like, gluten-free flours don't brown. So yeah, it stands by itself. It's not like sloppy, falling apart or anything like that, and it tastes amazing. I literally tried a little bite. I was like, I'm not gonna literally had to put it down not to eat the whole thing. And apart from the calories from the cheese, it's literally like, I wouldn't even count egg whites as calories at all. Like, it's just pure protein, goes straight into your muscle. You can have as much as you want, and it's not gonna even make a dent on your body composition. So cheese, the only thing is cheese. If you want it to be protein sparing, you use some type of like low fat cheese if you want, or some cheese that would fit into your protein sparing macros. But otherwise, great. I'm gonna taste it on camera so you see that like I can't fake anything, so you know if I like it or not. Here it is. It's funny because, well, you're not gonna be able to see, but it has even some little bubbles in there, so it's like, it almost reminds you like real dough. You even have a little bit crispy edge. But yeah, guys, I'm so pleased with this one. Like, honestly, like, from an Italian, take it from me that this pizza is like the real deal. It's ready in less than 10 minutes. 2 ingredients, egg white protein powder and beef gelatin. So 2 ingredients are even good for you. No need for like santangam, nothing like that. No need to like make the base before, like protein sparing, whip up the egg whites and blah 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 and all that shebang. This is like the simplicity. And so if you're in a rush, you can put this on your table super fast. And yeah, like, what else is there? So yeah, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please go check out my other recipe, my food channel. I talk so much about women's health, hormonal health and all that. And but yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big like, share it with your friends and family, with people who are been on keto and carnivore, who haven't had a decent pizza in ages. You're gonna like this one. You're gonna like it more than like fathead dough, almond flour, all that. This is like the best. I tried everything, so I can guarantee you this is the best deal and the most like economic and all that. I need to chill out. I'm just getting too excited about it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I do. Please, if you do give it a try, please let me know in the comments below. Tag me on Instagram and all that. Thank you, have a lovely day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.